Oh, we got it.
1 sec, just have to find him in my auto overlay. Okay, got it.
Pulling in 3, 2, 1, go.
I know something I forgot.
Vanguard's weaponized digestive system can launch acidic gel up to 100 meters. It doesn't matter how fast they are if there's nowhere left to run.
Remember, don't cleanse yourself close to the station. There was one that was very close last time.
But nothing could be further from the truth. We call this groundbreaking
Contagion.
Oh no, guys!
Something like that. Yeah, now it's gonna be a little tricky, but yeah.
Yeah, it's still room on the right.
Battery.
Trauma. Great pass.
But
While nearly immortal in the light, the Apex Vanguard is truly lethal at night. Ooh.
He likes me. Larry.
Enhances its strength and balance. Thanks to our
Taunt.
Yeah, I don't do it.
Good, he didn't get a stun.
Actually, the moment he turned around, I don't it.
Contagions in 5.
whoa, what is that spit doing there?
Larry. Oh, we need a wash.
Yeah, we do.
I lost aggro the moment he did the spit.
I need to change my can work because I just skipped the other contagion.
Rocket.
But please.
throwing the kitchen sink at Jedi, only to have him throw it right
By the
back.
way, there are stints.
Oh my god.
Our innovative Jason Venom air
Hello, Tom.
Hello, fancy seeing you here.
away
Aw.
the very air they
You're so
breathe.
kind.
I'm getting cleared by the boss, but I have like no edges.
I'm gonna have to go for a clean right now, so I need to change a few.
Rockets and falling.
Contagion.
Yeah, I will move him back.
Sorry. Fuck. Snake rockets. Careful with your spit placement next. 'Cause it's
Sick of frantically chasing down elusive
On.
targets? We sure are.
picking up
That's
flares
why
now.
every Apex Vanguard comes equipped with state-of-the-art multi-target
How many did you make?
guided missile batteries.
Wait, I put there, right?
Rockets.
They drain the battery. You can recharge it in the central transformer.
Yeah, I'm short on flares now.
Yeah, I had to clean earlier, but I'm gonna push full now.
Contagion
Flares
play.
do you have?
I have 3.
Okay.
I could be
I have three.
Contagion. 3 acid blasts.
Was right during the contagion.
Don't worry, we have found it.
Alternator.
Alternator.
Targets? No problem.
I have to be very careful with my next flares.
Yeah, 3 flares on the way.
Yeah, I know.
Coming back. So
Oh,
he will be free for
well.
a second.
Are you still moving this
Okay,
way?
one in the middle. Yeah, I'm moving still this way. I was for my
Randy needs to cleanse.
Cleansed. Oh, I can't cleanse you, Randy.
Me neither. I think we both cleanse the tank. Survive 4 more
Yeah.
seconds.
I can cleanse him.
I will change direction.
Wow, this is gonna be tough.
Okay. Push through healing.
They say when you make more stems.
Yes, pop cooldowns, everybody. I'm almost there. Pop cooldowns, quick.
Yep, no.
It's done, it's done, it's done, it's done.
No
I'm
flare.
flaring it. Yeah, I'm going in. He's on 2 stacks.
As a loose.
3 stacks.
Fuck.
You have to put the battery. You have to 0 stacks.
Yeah, I am.
Thank you. No, don't worry, don't worry. I know you do it. You have to do it.
There's one contagion in the way.
Glad it's possible.
Coordinator.
Why is only 1 DPS to me?
I have stems.
Well,
We
that's
should be able to pass.
On the way.
Like,
You
just
can DPS now. No, second.
flaring.
Contagion.
That's what I was afraid of. Yeah, I can work it out. Pop
And he's-
red when I say so, and there are lots of
Yeah,
stem.
too late. I just popped it.
Okay.
Pick up flares. Oh shit. I need to go back now. Fuck. Can you plug it in? Can you plug it in? Holy fuck, the range on this. Okay, he's on 2 stacks.
Yes, up there ready, Tom.
Rockets in 3. Okay, I'm getting... Can you stay there? Can you stay once? Oh, no, never mind. Wait, I'm getting a last flare now, speaking. Whatever.
Contagion in 5.
I'm coming with the flare.
Can
We
we...
need to be really careful there.
Us.
Contagion now.
Rockets. DCDs.
Come on, I popped up. Quick heals, quick heals.
Let him drop like a stack.
Do we have 2 people with the steams?
I have one.
Coordinator. One stim, two
Red
stim.
if
Okay,
possible.
Well done. No!
Oh,
Overdose.
Boost him.
Good eye, bros.
that was me. I thought you said you only had one.
I already
Ready.
have a
Two
cooldown.
players ready.
Yeah, we don't have bros.
Yes! Awesome, Tom.
Sorry,
I'm gonna
Randy.
go pick it up.
Can you pick up? Thank
Yeah,
you.
yeah, coming now. Shit, I need to get back quickly. I can't get
Contagion.
back fast enough. It's gonna be a few seconds out of there. He's on 2 stacks again. Rockets 2.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave it in a while. RIP DPS, but hey.
Fine. Deluge. Is he good in that flower? I think he is. You wanna move him? Because I can fly. Rocket. Holy fuck, the range on these! I swear to god, it's not this short.
Okay, we have a good amount of. Oh, nice thing.
Rockets 5, Contagion 5. I'll flare after he unplugs it. And I'll pick them up here.
How many people has the steam?
Well, I have 2 if we really need to.
Uh,
Contagion.
Pop it. Don't pop it as
can
well.
you pick up flares?
Yeah, I'm picking it.
How many Stims VF for the next burn.
Non.
We should be able to res Randy.
I've got 5 left.
Yeah, 15 seconds on the rep.
I'm not
He's
dropping
making
a
some
flare
sense, I
yet.
think.
I'll get him once his run off.
We need at least one more person for the steams.
Yeah, I will go and get some
Yeah, thank you.
when Randy is up. Though.
Are you gonna move or?
Moving
Just
here.
Stems, DPS, if you're...
Yeah, I'll wait till Randy is up before.
Got him up?
Okay.
Rockets and contagion.
Contagion.
Alright, I'm getting stuns.
Oh, you're turning. Shit.
Yeah,
Oh.
we were at the end.
Sorry.
Are you gonna be turning?
I'm gonna keep going the direction I'm here.
Okay.
Then I put my contagion in the wrong spot, sorry.
Yeah, it's okay, I will move around it.
Is this the loot?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, just run.
Rockets.
The light is up.
Red if possible.
Flaring.
One more deluge.
He's not in it. He's not in it. Shit, 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 shit. Okay, he's in it. I don't know. I don't fucking know anymore. Sorry. I have no idea what's going on. Great buffs.
Okay, destroy the lock and we're going for the burn after that. So just...
Are there more flares made? I only have one. Okay, I'm getting them now. I have enough flares to burn
Lose
now.
ducks, so watch
Are we
out.
ready for burn?
Yes, we just destroy that lock and we're going.
Oh fuck.
Contagion.
Contagion.
No flare.
Yeah, I know. I'm trying to get there. Fuck me.
Yes.
He's on
3
3
stacks.
stack.
Okay, we're going for a burn, guys. So be careful.
Contagion spread. Stay away.
Okay, last ditch. Refresh the flare. Big DPS, guys. Gone.
Now you take him.
I'm fine, I had deflection.
Yeah, good. Pop the
Ow.
flag and the next one. Take it.
Still have it up, I'm still fine. Now it's off.
Die, you fucker, die, you fucker, die, you fucker. Nice!
Nice.
Nice.
Ah, well.
Nice!
Sorry, Randy, I fucked you over there.
Ah, it's okay.
Oh my god, that ending there. I went to pick up flares, but I forgot to. Like, it was almost expiring, the one that was already
Yeah,
there.
I
so-
was